Hi there, my name's Otis Wyatt, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about our research project which was awarded by University College London. Our team members are affiliated with University of Staffordshire, Warwick and Dundee, and the title of this research project is The Feasibility of a Novel Non-Pneumatic Wheelchair Tyre with Adaptive Spoke Technology, with our overarching research question: can we enhance the quality of life for wheelchair users by tuning the design of a novel wheelchair tyre to improve performance across a range of everyday tasks? So, what is the need for this research? Well, our focus is on manual wheelchairs, which of course are an essential assistive technology for individuals with reduced mobility. A recurring problem that is evident in literature is individuals suffering from musculoskeletal injury and pain, which is caused mainly by overexertion, but also by the wheelchair itself not providing satisfactory levels of comfort to individuals through the mitigation of shocks and vibrations. And even though manual wheelchairs are among the most commonly used assistive technology devices according to the World Health Organization, there has been little innovation and research in recent years in this area. As a consequence, this leads to many manual wheelchair users having reduced mobility, which has a significant negative impact on their quality of life. Now, we also know that tyres of manual wheelchairs contribute largely to the overall comfort, wheeling efficiency and manoeuvrability of the wheelchair, and so further research and innovation in this area could be key into mitigating pain and injury to users and improving their overall quality of life. So, what are we suggesting? Well, our aim is to implement a relatively new technology onto manual wheelchairs for the first time. The technology we are referring to are non-pneumatic tyres with flexible spokes. These tyres do not rely on air for performance and can be tuned by altering the internal plates, known as spokes, to optimize the comfort, the manoeuvrability, and the wheeling efficiency on an individual basis, which is an extremely challenging process with current wheelchair tyre technology. Previous work has been conducted with wheelchair users to assess their needs regarding their tyres and determine the optimum spoke design from literature. And building on this work, it is hypothesized that a new spoke design could allow adapting its stiffness to different loading scenarios, which wheelchair users are subjected to daily. Now these include the tyre becoming softer or less stiff during curb dismount, for increased cushioning and therefore comfort. We also have the tyre becoming stiffer during propulsion to minimize energy loss and improving the wheeling efficiency. And finally, we have the tyre becoming softer or less stiff again, but this time during the braking process to ease braking and also help with on-the-spot maneuvering. As these tyres have a high capacity for tuning, they have the ability to be tuned to an individual based on their physical characteristics, such as their body mass, and also their own personal desires or preferences. However, before work in this area can commence, robust research and experimentation into existing wheelchair tyre technology is needed for proper comparison. So what will be the benefits of this work? Well, there is the obvious benefit to the wheelchair users in that these tyres will provide them with a more comfortable, a more manoeuvrable and a more wheeling efficient wheelchair. A wheelchair which can provide these properties is also linked to promoting user independence and inclusivity, which in turn is linked to improving mental health and individuals' overall quality of life. Furthermore, mitigating user pain and injury through these tyres can help unburden the NHS. And whether this impact is massive or minimal, it's still a step in the right direction. And finally, these flexible spoke non-pneumatic tyres could be useful in many other assistive technology devices, such as powered or electric wheelchairs and even Paralympic wheelchairs due to their high capacity for tuning to individuals' characteristics. These are just a couple of the areas that we may focus our research on in the future. So, thank you very much for listening. I have here a schematic just to show you what a flexible spoke non-pneumatic tyre may look like for a manual wheelchair with a honeycomb spoke structure. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks very much again. Bye.